Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Today is another very critical day for Stellar. Like as in my previous video, I was showing you that after breaking down the channel, the Stellar was moving up, but I told you that it may be the confirmation for the breakdown because after breaking down, it was moving up and about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. This was a channel that was broken down, and after playing this chart we can see that the price line moved more down from there. It was moving at here around at 15 cents, and right now we have, even on the smaller time frame, we can see that we are below than this pretty significant support of 12 cents. And this is quite long-term support, therefore we should watch this support at least on the daily time frame. And in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this monthly time frame. And here we can see that Stellar has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. Previously we had a very long-term down channel, and after, this was the support by the way for this channel, and after breaking out this channel we had a very big move that was roughly 3,000% from this low to this high. And this is another formation of the down channel here we are having. And we have a touch point here on the monthly time frame. We have touch point here, here as well, and here. And right now you can see we are again touching the support of the wedge. But the critical thing is that we are breaking down this very significant support of 12 cents. And if it will be broken down, then there will be a probability that we may break down the support of the wedge. But right now, at the same time, while Stellar is testing the support of a very big wedge, at the same time, Bitcoin is also testing the support of a very big wedge. And you can see previously when we had such wedge, and it was broken out here in the month of July 2021, we had a very big move that was approximately from $29,296 up to $69,000. And here it formed another falling wedge pattern. And we have on the weekly time frame a few touch points here, and one touch point here, and several touch points at the resistance here as well. And right now you can see that the price line is again at the support. So if the Bitcoin will be recovered from here, because we have a very strong support of $28,600, right now Bitcoin is also testing that support on the weekly time frame chart as well, and moving slightly below than that support. And if Bitcoin will be recovered, then Stellar can be also recovered from this support of a very big falling wedge that is formed on the weekly time frame. And if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, now for example, if Stellar is going to break down this support that is really very significant, this 12 cent support, then on the weekly time frame we can watch different major support and resistance levels. This is 12 cents that the price line is breaking down. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then so far we did not have the closing below than the support, so it is possible that it will be recovered from here. Now if we take a look at the next support after breaking down this 12 cents, I'm talking about the major supports. There can be also some other supports in the short time frames, but on the weekly time frame I'm talking about some major supports here. And the next major support will be here approximately at 8.6 cents, and it has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a support here, as a resistance here, as a resistance, as a support, and as a support here as well. So it can again work as a nice support if it will be broken down 12 cents. And if 8 cents support will be broken down, the next support is also quite major. You can see that it's at 5 cents by the way. After 8 cents, the next major support on the long term will be 5 cents. And we have used this level of support here, and almost as a support here as well as a support here. So that will be quite critical. And if Bitcoin will be not recovered, then we should be prepared that there can be a possibility that we may break down the support of the falling wedge. But it will be really very exceptional if Stellar will break down such a big wedge, because on the monthly time frame, falling wedge pattern considered to be a very bullish pattern, and on the long terms, normally the price line does not break down such pattern, such bullish bias pattern. And this will be another exception if it will be happening. So today is very important. We need to keep an eye on this support of 12 cents and also the support of the wedge as well. If we will have the daily closing below than these support levels, then there will be a probability that we may move down to the next support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.